There you are, Brandon.
How's it going, Dave Ron?
Okay, let me bring this guy up. I don't expect anyone to show up. Andy was interested, but I don't think the attendance could be live today.
Yeah, and I didn't see anything on the agenda, so I wasn't expecting too much.
So I was curious, is GCP's registry also 1.1.0 compliant now? Or they were always
So definitely not GCP, because GCP is being deprecated and they're going away from that, but they've got the Google Artifact Registry.
Yes, the GAR. Okay, yeah.
And I do not know where that is on the timeline. I think a lot of the people that I would have known that were doing that have all moved over to ChainGuard, so I don't have any direct contact. Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know who over there is manning that one, and what their status is, but yeah, if it's going to happen, it'll be the Google Artifact Registry.
Got it.
Yeah, I get the emails about once every 2 weeks or so saying, hey, move all your stuff over from Google Container Platform over, or yeah, over on the GCP or GCR, sorry. Yeah, I get the emails regularly saying we're shutting this thing down, get your stuff off there. And all I've got over there is a couple test files so that I can make sure my tools are still working.
Yes, this is a good precedent for the OCA community, saying that, yeah, if you did this and made it a final GA specification, then people actually will follow it.
Yeah,
pretty quickly.
The one I'm watching right now and not sure what's going to happen, I hear different things from different people, is the Docker Hub.
What about Docker Hub?
I don't know when they'll fully adopt the 1.1. And the other one that'll be interesting is Google Container Registry. Sorry, not Google, the GitHub Container Registry, GHCR.
Okay. Yeah, that's another big one. Yes.
Yeah. Both of those will be very big for the open source community. So it'll be interesting to see what timelines each of them have.
Okay.
Some of that probably has dependencies on what the distribution project does. I think I don't know if they've finished going through some of the PRs on that. I think it's still in progress.
Okay. Yeah, so I was looking at Blake 3 as a hash, Brandon. There is quite a bit of promise, especially for large images. It is very fast. And compared to SHA-3, so SHA-3 is fast if you have the right hardware. I'm guessing probably the SHA extensions, I guess. So, but Blake 3 is just as fast. The reason it is fast is because it's a Merkle tree design. So a lot of things can go in parallel.
Mhm. Yeah, I haven't run through the testing yet. They do have it though on the Go Digest project. It is one of the things in there.
Okay.
So it's not in the release version though. They haven't done a release of that repo in a very long while. I was looking at some of the stuff and noticing they've made changes, but they haven't released them. So I'm not sure what it's going to look like once that finally gets a version bump.
Let's wait for another 5 minutes and then we'll call it a day.
Okay. Yeah, we definitely don't have any new attendee intros today.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm still working through the EuroFS patch. Maybe over the weekend or something. Maybe I'll get some more time.
Yeah, I think a couple of things on my list. I'll find it real quick. Is the image selection. I want to work on that for the compatibility working group. And I want to work on the ability to change the digest algorithms on images and then use that to test pretty much everything I was going through. So
Okay,
those,
so you're going to mutate so given an image, you want to mutate it to some other digest, for example.
yeah, I've got my reg cuddle image mod command that I use for a lot of this stuff. And so that's,
That would be neat actually. If that is,
it
you
would,
can play with Blade 3 there potentially.
yeah, it would be a good way at the very least to test SHA-512 and some of the changes they're talking about for passing the digest for tagged images. And then once that's in there and support, then Blade 3 would be the obvious next thing.
And you want to join Batsuni. Okay, I think we'll call it a day, Brandon. I don't think
All right.
anybody's showing up today.
All right. Till next time. Have a good one, Rob.
Yeah, bye.